Okay, so the last thing I need you to do on this is I need you to give me the, and you need to look at both of the accounts and like combine them together and take the top five. So what I mean by that is you would just take this, put it with the curve appeal, and then what I want you to do is I want you to give me the top five selling brands. So now there's going to be two different ways to tell me how they're make me two different spreadsheets. One that is top selling with quantity. So here we have quantity. And then one that is top selling with, well, I guess we don't have the sales. You can also, I also need you to go in here and I guess give me this with sales as well. So I don't know what column that is, but please fill that in as well. Now, when you do that, like I said, you're going to give it to me in two different ones, one with quantity, one with sales. So there'll be one spreadsheet that says quantity and then the other. Now, when you do look at these, um, really, we know that Nike is our number one seller, so we don't really have to do that one. So this one is Nike. What you're going to have to do though is combine all these within this certain spreadsheet, but not on Nike because, like I said, that's our number one seller. So give me the top five after Nike. So ignore Nike, but I mean, here's Under Armour. That's underneath one of our shoppers, but then you will see Under Armour is probably in here again as well. There it is there. Um, and probably the best thing to do is, so what you would need to do is you would need to combine this one with this one and see what the totals are. And there may be even more. Let's do a search. So see, here's some more here. So Courtney also shops Under Armour, so you have to add all those up together. So, here's all Under Armour stuff. So those will all get added up, and you're going to give me the totals on the quantities and then on the sales. Now, the other thing is like here's Vera Bradley. So here's Courtney Vera Bradley, but we also shop at Vera Bradley. The best option, though, like I said, is to do see, here's Yvonne's Vera Bradley, and then uh, here's my Vera Bradley. So once again, you would total all those together. Um, that's not going to be on that many. Most of these are not going to have multiple ones. In fact, what I'll do is I'll I'll send you this spreadsheet back, and the ones that will most likely not have duplicate line items, I'll put in yellow. Like, for instance, this one is not going to, this one's not going to. Either way, I know this video might be a little confusing, but do that and then send it back to me and make sure that you're looking at both accounts when you're doing this. Combine it and then you take, basically we need our top five suppliers, but I want to break it down by either quantity or sales, and I need to figure that out on which one I need to look at. So any questions, let me know. Thanks.